morning everyone. Today is Friday and welcome back to MERI Daily Space Bulletin. Today's headlines are: Space startup AnduraX to conduct drop test for reusable space planes. India's private space sector takes reusable spaceplane leap with AnduraX ADM-01 mission. Chandrayaan 2 discovers possible ice buried on Moon's south pole. Is Russian cosmonauts install sun watching telescope on ISS during 6-hour spacewalk. First, an Indian space tech startup, AnduraX, is set to test its reusable spaceplane technology next month. The company will launch an experimental vehicle using a high-altitude balloon up to 25 kilometers before releasing its mid-air to test landing and re-entry systems. AnduraX aims to build India's first private reusable re-entry vehicle with its first space mission planned by 2028. This technology could help future space research and manufacturing become faster and more affordable. The second is India's private space sector is taking a big step forward with AnduraX and its ADM-01 mission. The Andhra Pradesh-based startup is preparing a high-altitude drop test for its reusable spaceplane technology in the first week of June. An experimental vehicle will be lifted nearly 25 kilometers by a balloon before being released for a controlled descent test. The company aims to develop reusable re-entry systems for future microgravity research, space manufacturing and payload return missions, helping reduce space mission costs and making advanced research more accessible. Experts say this technology could support future aerospace and defenses advancement for India. The third is India's Indian Space Research Organization may have discovered hidden water ice beneath the Moon's south pole using from Chandrayaan 2. Scientists studying radar data from the orbiter found strong signs of subsurface ice inside permanently shadowed craters, where temperatures can drop to minus 248 degrees Celsius. One crater near the Faustini region showed the strongest evidence of buried ice deposits. This discovery is important because lunar ice could one day provide drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel for future missions to the Moon. The findings also show that Chandrayaan 2's orbiter continues to deliver major scientific discoveries year after the launch. The fourth is two Russian cosmonauts from Roscosmos completed a 6-hour spacewalk outside the International Space Station. During the mission, they installed a new observing telescope called Shristy designed to study powerful solar flares and the improve space weather predictions through 2028. The astronauts also collected scientific samples, created microgravity and carried out maintenance work on the station's Russian segment. This was the 279th spacewalk in support of the International Space Station since 1998. That's all for today's update on MERI Space Bulletin. I am Shristy. Thank you for watching and see you again with more exciting space news from around the universe.